Hi everyone, this is Robert again. Welcome to Paul Homeschooling and where I work. I've mentioned this in some of the videos before. This is the server lab where I work here in the school, and I thought maybe it would be really cool to show you guys what it looks like. So let's go inside. Welcome. So this is the lab. As you can see, we have a lot of equipment in here. We've got 8 racks. We have 135 servers, as well as some equipment from some other companies here as well. This rack is the Tokyo rack. All of the racks have cities. The layout and the infrastructure of this room is basically to simulate the internet. So we have different cities. Every single city has their own domain controllers, their own account system, their own storage, their own IP address range. Everything is completely separate, and they're all trunked together with 10 gig fiber. So it's very fast in here as well. In here, we have a Cisco switch. We have Nexus switches in all of the racks here, as well as we have some QNAP equipment here, which is for our storage needs. This rack isn't on right now. This is the only one that isn't. And here we have 3 of the white racks. These are the open case racks that we have. All of the servers are connected with DAC and ADP cables. Everything in here is basically 10 gig. So students learn about 10 gig networking with fiber and with direct access copper and so on. We have air conditioning in the back, 3 industrial size air conditioners. So there are 8 racks in this room. I'd say 135 servers. It's super loud in here. We only have about half of them on so far. Mostly all the servers run Windows hypervisor. But we do have some Proxmox servers, as well as some QNAP storage, as well as some TrueNAS storage that we're setting up as well. Students who work in here, we've got open servers where we can have a look at some of the components inside, all the tools necessary. As you can see on the ceiling, we have cable trunking everywhere. The room is mostly soundproof, but inside this room is very loud, which is why we have these headsets. So yeah, I mentioned this room in previous videos and where I work, and I thought maybe I'd just give you a quick little show of what it is. If you'd like to see something specific, then let me know.